Light has the power to transform. Whether on the street, in the office, or in your home, every step we take in a well-lit environment is taken with tranquility and safety. With this idea in mind, G-Light was founded over 27 years ago, because we know that light is for you. With each passing day, we continue to grow. More ideas, more dreams, and more lighting solutions. That is why our brand owns one of the largest lighting factories in Latin America. We ensure the quality of each of our products with our own laboratories and a specialized team that pays attention to every detail. We are committed to continuous improvement in our processes, investing in state-of-the-art equipment because we know that light is essential to you. Our headquarters in Feira de Santana, with our factory and distribution center serving the north and northeast, along with branches in São Paulo and Blumenau catering to the south, southeast, and Midwest regions, allow us to reach all of Brazil. Additionally, we have an office in China dedicated to purchasing and quality control. Our robust structure enables us to be present in more than 24,000 points of sale across Brazil, employing over 500 people directly and indirectly. Our modern production line combines cutting-edge technology with human expertise, ensuring high-quality products. We have one of the largest lighting portfolios in Brazil, with an engineering sector dedicated to researching, developing, and evaluating each product. For this reason, we strive to continuously evolve and innovate in the lighting industry. Because for every situation, there is a solution. Our commitment goes beyond our products. We work to improve the lives of every person impacted by our light. That is why we are members of national and international organizations that develop quality standards and regulations for the lighting sector. We believe that light transforms lives, and this belief is reflected in our actions. We are part of the social program Começar de Novo, Starting Over, which provides opportunities for social reintegration through work. We also invest in reverse logistics through the Reciclas project, ensuring the collection, transportation, and proper disposal of mercury-containing lamps with an environmentally responsible approach. Whether in the lives of the partners who sell our products, in the lives of those who are part of our brand, or in the environments of those who trust in us, our mission is to illuminate because we know that light is for you.